To do a push-up, get down on the ground. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and straighten your legs. Make sure that your wrist is in a nearly vertical line with your shoulder and your head is in a neutral position. Now tilt your pelvis backward, tightening your abs and squeezing your butt. You don't want your shoulders shrugged. So the last thing you want to do is pulling your shoulder blades back and pushing them down. This will help prevent your shoulders from injuries. This is your starting position. From here, bring your chest all the way down to the bottom. Come all the way back up. Inhale going down. Exhale coming back up. There are two common mistakes you want to avoid. First, hands position. I've seen many people placing their hands like this. That's a mistake. What you want to do is to make sure that your middle finger is pointing forward. Second, elbow position. Don't let them flare out too much. This puts a lot of stress in the front of your shoulder. Keep them close to your body, preferably at a 45 to 60 degree angle. Take a look at the whole sequence again.